Stop being anxious with this drink. Anxiety has become an all-too common issue in today's fast-paced world. From daily stresses like meeting tight deadlines and juggling responsibilities to overwhelming life challenges, the pressure can take a toll on mental health. It's no surprise that many people are turning to natural remedies to calm their nerves and restore balance. Dr. Barbara O'Neill, a highly respected health educator known for her holistic approach to wellness, offers a simple yet effective drink that can help alleviate anxiety naturally. This remedy not only provides immediate relief from the grip of anxiety, but also promotes long-term mental well-being. What's even better? The ingredients are affordable and easily found in most kitchens, making it a practical solution for anyone seeking peace of mind. The key ingredients in this drink are magnesium-rich foods like bananas, which support the nervous system, and soothing herbs like chamomile, known for their calming properties. Lemon juice, another component, helps detoxify the body and provides a refreshing zest, while raw honey adds a touch of sweetness and acts as a natural mood stabilizer. Lastly, warm water is used to blend these elements, enhancing their soothing effects. Not only does this drink help reduce feelings of tension and unease, but it also nourishes the body with essential nutrients that combat stress at its root. By incorporating this natural remedy into your routine, you can experience a sense of calm while supporting your overall mental health. If you're looking for a simple, natural way to ease anxiety, why not give this drink a try? Stay inspired, take control of your well-being, and remember to prioritize self-care in the midst of life's demands. Why addressing anxiety naturally is important. Many people turn to medications to deal with anxiety, but these often come with side effects and can lead to dependency. A natural approach offers a safer, more sustainable solution. Remedies like the one Dr. O'Neill recommends focus on healing the root causes of anxiety rather than masking symptoms. By calming your nervous system with the right nutrients, you give your body the tools it needs to find balance and peace. The calming drink recipe. Here's the simple recipe to prepare Dr. Barbara O'Neill's anxiety-reducing drink. Ingredients: chamomile tea, 1 cup, lemon juice, 1/2 fresh lemon, raw honey, 1 teaspoon, optional, adjust to taste. Warm water, 1 cup, if needed to dilute. Instructions: boil water and steep a chamomile tea bag or dried chamomile flowers for 5-10 minutes. Once the tea has steeped, add a teaspoon of raw honey for natural sweetness. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into the tea. Stir well. If the tea is too strong, dilute with additional warm water. Sip slowly, allowing your body to absorb the warmth and nutrients. The science behind the ingredients. This drink isn't just soothing, it's backed by science. Let's explore how each ingredient contributes to reducing anxiety. Chamomile tea. Chamomile is widely regarded as one of nature's most effective calming agents. Its active compound, apigenin, binds to GABA receptors in your brain, promoting relaxation and reducing restlessness. Chamomile has been shown to lower cortisol levels, the stress hormone, promote better sleep, reduce physical symptoms of anxiety, such as muscle tension. Lemon juice. Lemons are rich in vitamin C, a key nutrient that supports adrenal health. When your body is under stress, your adrenal glands work overtime, depleting your vitamin C reserves. By replenishing this vital nutrient, lemon juice helps strengthen the immune system, regulate cortisol levels, improve mood with its refreshing aroma and taste. Raw honey. Unlike refined sugars, raw honey provides a steady source of energy without causing blood sugar spikes. Fluctuations in blood sugar can exacerbate anxiety symptoms. Raw honey also contains trace amounts of minerals like magnesium and potassium, which are essential for a calm nervous system. Warm water. The warmth of the drink itself has therapeutic effects. It helps relax tight muscles, improve circulation, and signal your brain to release calming neurotransmitters. Combined with the other ingredients, it creates a holistic remedy that soothes both mind and body. Additional benefits of this drink. While its primary purpose is to reduce anxiety, this drink offers several other health benefits. Improved digestion. Chamomile and lemon juice aid in digestion, reducing bloating and discomfort that often accompany stress. Better sleep. Drinking this in the evening can help you wind down, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. Enhanced immune function. The combination of vitamin C and the antioxidants in chamomile boosts your body's ability to fight off infections. Balanced mood. Regularly consuming calming drinks can help stabilize emotions, making you more resilient to daily stressors. Lifestyle tips to complement the drink. While this calming drink can work wonders, pairing it with other healthy habits will amplify its effects. Here are some lifestyle tips to further reduce anxiety. 1. Practice deep breathing. Deep intentional breathing activates your parasympathetic nervous system, which counteracts the fight or flight response and helps calm your body and mind. One effective technique is box breathing. Inhale deeply through your nose for 4 seconds. Hold your breath for 4 seconds. Exhale slowly through your mouth for 4 seconds, and pause for 4 seconds before repeating. Practicing this for 5 and 10 minutes a day can reduce stress, improve focus, and even lower blood pressure. Additionally, deep breathing promotes better oxygen circulation, which helps regulate your nervous system. 2. Stay active. Physical activity releases endorphins, your body's natural feel-good chemicals, which help alleviate stress and anxiety. Regular exercise also reduces cortisol levels, the stress hormone, and improves your overall mood. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise daily, whether it's walking, yoga, cycling, or dancing. Even light activities like stretching or gardening can make a difference. Find a physical activity you enjoy to stay consistent, and remember that consistency is more important than intensity. 3. Limit caffeine and alcohol. Both caffeine and alcohol can exacerbate anxiety by overstimulating your nervous system and disrupting your sleep patterns. High caffeine intake, especially later in the day, can lead to restlessness, rapid heart rate, and increased feelings of nervousness. Alcohol, while initially calming for some, can rebound into heightened anxiety as it wears off. Opt for alternatives like herbal teas, such as chamomile or peppermint, or warm lemon water, which promote relaxation without overstimulation. Gradually reducing your intake of these substances can significantly improve your mental well-being. 4. Maintain a balanced diet. A diet rich in whole foods, such as fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, provides the nutrients your brain and body need to function optimally. Complex carbohydrates, such as whole grains, can help regulate serotonin levels, promoting a sense of calm. Omega-3 fatty acids, found in fatty fish, walnuts, and flax seeds, are known to support brain health and reduce inflammation. Avoid processed foods and high-sugar snacks, as these can lead to energy spikes and crashes, worsening anxiety. Stay hydrated and include foods like dark leafy greens and nuts, which are rich in magnesium, a mineral that helps manage stress. 5. Practice gratitude. Taking a few moments each day to reflect on what you're thankful for can help shift your focus away from stress and foster a positive mindset. You can keep a gratitude journal, writing down 3 things you're grateful for every morning or evening. This simple habit trains your brain to notice the positives in your life, no matter how small, and can significantly improve your mood over time. Gratitude also strengthens relationships, as expressing appreciation for others creates deeper connections. Combine this practice with mindfulness to fully experience the moment and amplify its benefits. Take the first step to a calmer you. Incorporating this natural remedy into your daily life can make a significant difference in how you manage anxiety. Remember, true health is about finding balance and addressing the root causes of your stress. With Dr. Barbara O'Neill's calming drink, you have a simple, effective tool to help you on your journey. Try it today and let us know how it works for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips. Together, we can take small steps toward a calmer, healthier life. Stay inspired and stay healthy.